The Stages of the Moon, a guide to lunar phases. The moon has fascinated humanity for centuries, influencing tides, calendars, and even cultural traditions. Its changing appearance in the night sky follows a predictable cycle known as the lunar phases or moon phases. These phases result from the moon's orbit around Earth and how sunlight illuminates its surface. A full lunar cycle, or lunation, lasts about 29.5 days and consists of 8 primary phases.
The 8 phases of the moon. 1. New moon. The cycle begins with the new moon when the moon is positioned between Earth and the sun. The side facing Earth is completely dark, making it invisible to the naked eye. This phase marks a time of renewal and new beginnings in many cultures. 2. Waxing crescent after the new moon. A small sliver of the moon becomes visible, forming a crescent shape on the right side in the northern hemisphere. The term waxing means the illuminated portion is increasing. This phase lasts a few days and symbolizes growth and intention setting. 3. First quarter half moon. About a week after the new moon, the moon reaches the first quarter phase. Half of the moon's surface is illuminated, creating a half-moon appearance. The moon is now at a 90-degree angle from the sun, and its gravitational pull starts affecting ocean tides more strongly. 4. Waxing gibbous. The moon continues to grow in illumination, but it is not yet full. This phase is called gibbous, meaning more than half but not completely lit. It signifies refinement, patience, and preparation for the full moon. 5. Full moon. The entire face of the moon is fully illuminated. This phase is the brightest and most striking, often associated with heightened emotions, energy, and transformation. Many cultures celebrate the full moon with rituals and ceremonies, as it is believed to bring clarity and culmination. 6. Waning gibbous. After the full moon, the illumination starts decreasing or waning. The moon still appears large but gradually shrinks in brightness. This phase represents gratitude, reflection, and release. 7. Last quarter. Third quarter. The moon reaches another half-moon phase, but this time, the left side is illuminated. It is again at a 90-degree angle to the sun, but now moving toward the new moon. This phase is associated with re-evaluation and letting go of what no longer serves us. 8. Waning crescent. Final phase before the cycle restarts. Only a small crescent remains visible, decreasing each night. This is a time of rest, surrender, and preparation for new beginnings as the cycle starts over.
Why do moon phases occur? The moon doesn't create its own light, it reflects sunlight. As it orbits Earth, different portions of its surface are illuminated based on its position relative to the sun. This movement creates the changing phases we observe in the night sky. The moon's influence on Earth. The moon's gravitational pull affects Earth in several ways. Tides. The rise and fall of ocean tides are driven by the moon's position. Biological rhythms. Some animals, including certain marine species, follow lunar cycles for reproduction. Cultural significance. Many traditions and calendars, such as the Islamic lunar calendar, are based on the moon's cycle. The moon cycle is a fascinating natural phenomenon that has guided humans for millennia. By understanding its phases, we can appreciate not just its beauty but also its profound influence on our planet and daily lives. Whether for scientific study, spiritual practices, or simply stargazing, the moon remains a powerful celestial presence that continues to inspire us.